Tirana Airport, Albania. As soon as you walk out, you need to walk straight forward. It's in the pitch black. People do come up to you, it's a bit scary. But at the very end, you've got your bus. You can buy your tickets on the bus, or you can buy it in advance. It's €4 and it's non-refundable. There are plenty of Albanians on the bus and they don't really speak English.
The first stop is Don Bosco, and then the next stop is in the square. The square is the center of Tirana. It's very beautiful and it's very busy in the day as well as the night. You can see everything lit at night, however they are closed. In the day you can visit everything and there might be some events. So right now there's a marathon going on. You have an I Love Tirana sign. To take a bus is only 40 lek. On the way to the airport I took a car instead. As you can see now is in the day, there's lots of rent-a-cars. These are extremely cheap. You can park for free and just walk inside. Albanians must be checked, but if you're from Europe, you can just go through the e-gates very quickly. At this airport, you must have a paper ticket or you can't board a plane. The airport signs are terrible, so get there early. Thanks for watching, please like, comment and subscribe. Bye!